Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to make easy animal sounds with your mouth. This will be an easy tutorial and I will be going over 4 specific animal sounds that you can make with your mouth to entertain everyone around you and also educate everyone around you. Let's get right into the video. The first sound is going to be a cow sound. Now many people say, oh, cows say moo. No, they don't. Well, they kind of do if you have to put it in a word, but they don't say moo. That's not what they say. So what you have to do is it kind of comes from deep down in your vocal cords. It's going to sound something like this. So you're going to start off with a m, but not really pronounced. It's not going to be m. No, it's m. Barely move your lips in the M sound, m, and then go deep. Like, it's not like this. Deeper, deeper, okay? And if you want, you can kind of raise up your body a little bit, your upper body. It gives it some extra cow effect, like this. Okay, that's the first sound. Barely open your mouth at all. That's how you make a cow sound. The next sound, the second animal sound, is actually a horse, okay? Now, a horse doesn't say neigh. You don't see horses walking around, galloping around, neigh. Not exactly, no. If you have to put it in a word, it makes sense. But that's not the sound that they make. So to make a horse sound, what you want to do is you want to shake your head and breathe out at the same time like this. Just like this at first. Okay, and you want to let your cheeks kind of jiggle. Like let your cheeks just be loose, like this. And then add a little bit more effort into it. Okay? And then you want to add a little bit of your vocals to it. Okay? Like that, okay? My horse isn't the best, I'm not gonna lie, but it is kind of accurate, okay? Most important thing is the cheeks. As you can see, I'm letting my cheeks jiggle. It gives it that extra effect. I've heard some people do that, but in my opinion, it sounds a little bit better when you add a little vocals to it. Okay, that's the horse. The next thing is a bird sound, but not hoo hoo, not a real bird sound like this. Okay, now how you make that sound is really cool. You want to roll your tongue like when you're doing a rolling R. So, go like that. And then whistle, and then roll your tongue while you whistle. So you're whistling, but your tongue is rolling in your mouth. I will let you in on a secret, okay? When I do this outside, birds come close to me. Like, it's that accurate. I'm telling you, with my kids, they get entertained when I do it. I'm like, and birds, they just start flying around. It's crazy. Amazing, okay? Easy bird sound. Last but not least, the fourth one. This one is by far my best one. This is my elephant sound. I gotta get back to this to make an elephant sound, okay? Check this out. Put your lips together, over your teeth, clamp them down together, and exhale while you squeeze your lips together. So lips over your teeth, clamp them, exhale as you squeeze. Now it's actually really cold outside when I'm filming this. I don't know if you can see that steam coming out of my mouth. I'm in my garage over here, and it's freezing, to be honest with you, at the time that I'm filming this. So when you do it in warm weather, it's going to sound a lot better, because my lips are like kind of frozen. But if you want some added effect, you can even pretend your arm is the trunk. Okay, I've actually done a separate video tutorial just on that, but I felt like it's such a good sound that I wanted to include it in this one. But that's basically it. Those are that's how to make 4 easy animal sounds with your mouth. Some of them are great, some of them aren't the best. Like, you know, my horse is probably my worst one. My elephant and bird are probably my best ones. And then the cow is like in the middle. But you know what? If you can learn from this and then maybe even improve, that's great. Okay, so hopefully you got something something from this video, whether it's entertainment or education or anything. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.